You know, when people ask me why I still get excited about DJI drones in 2025, I usually laugh and say, because every time DJI sneezes, the entire internet runs after the tissue paper. The truth is, few companies in tech can stir up hype like DJI, and this time it's not just speculation, it's real. The DJI Neo 2 has appeared in the FCC database, which is basically the first solid proof that the hardware exists, and that DJI is quietly lining up the ducks for launch. So, what's coming in this deep dive video? We're going to break down everything we know and everything we expect about the DJI Neo 2, the biggest rumored upgrades over the original DJI, Neo camera improvements and image sensor leaks battery life boost, and what the numbers really mean, smart features, AI-assisted shooting and beginner safety tools transmission, upgrades and connectivity expectations, the likely price point, and how it stacks up against other sub-250-gram drones, the tricky truth about US availability. Nobody else seems to be talking about, and trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end. Because the battery math and the import question are bigger deals than most people realize. The legacy of the DJI Neo. Before diving into Neo 2, let's rewind for a second. The original DJI Neo, released in 2024, was a breath of fresh air for entry-level drone users. At around 135 grams, it was ridiculously light and completely registration-free in many countries, making it the ultimate grab-and-go beginner's drone. Its pocket-sized form factor appealed to new flyers, travelers, and creators who didn't want paperwork or stress about bumping into obstacles. The first Neo was all about simplicity and accessibility. It offered 4K at 30 FPS, a 12-megapixel sensor, and basic but reliable flight stability. It wasn't trying to replace the Mini 4 Pro or Air 3. It carved out its own niche, a low-cost, travel-friendly entry point into the DJI ecosystem. That's exactly why the Neo 2 matters. DJI doesn't update this category unless it sees a demand. And judging by the FCC filing, they're not just refreshing, they're upgrading DJI. Neo 2 weight and design, staying under 250 grams. One of the first big questions everyone had. Will DJI keep the Neo 2 under 250 grams? The answer looks like yes. The FCC listing doesn't give us a full weight breakdown yet, but all signs point to DJI Neo 2 staying in that sub-250 g category. That's huge. For travelers, vloggers, or first-time drone owners, staying under that limit means no registration headaches in most regions, especially in the US and parts of Europe. Expect a very similar grab-and-go pocketable design. However, leaks suggest a slightly tougher shell and improved durability. DJI is clearly positioning this as a practice and training-friendly drone, one that can take a few bumps without breaking down. So, if you love the portability of the first Neo 2 keeps that same spirit alive, just smarter, safer, and sturdier. A DJI Neo 2 camera leaks, bigger sensor, 4K at 60 FPS. Here's where the debate gets juicy. According to multiple leaks, DJI Neo 2 is expected to sport a 1.3-inch sensor, a big jump from the original Neo's smaller sensor. Translation: more light, more detail, less noise, especially in low light or twilight conditions. Combine that with clean 4K at 60 FPS, and you've got a huge step forward in video quality. The original Neo maxed out at 4K 30, which was fine for casual clips. But 60 FPS opens the door for smoother motion, better slow motion, and more professional-looking footage. Rumors also point to AI-assisted shooting modes. Think auto subject tracking, without needing to dig into menus pre-programmed. Cinematic reveals quick-shot-style flight paths simplified for beginners. This aligns with DJI's strategy of trickling down features from higher-end drones into more affordable ones over time. If true, DJI Neo 2 won't just look sharper, it'll feel smarter, turning quick clips into cinematic shots without the hassle. For anyone upgrading from the original Neo's 12-megapixel stills and 4K 30, this would be a visible leap in quality. DJI Neo 2 battery life, the hidden upgrade. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where the FCC filing spilled some tea. The documents confirm an 11.6 Wh battery rated at 1660 mAh, compared to the Neo's 1435 mAh pack. That's about a 10–12% bump in capacity. On paper, it doesn't sound massive, but in real-world flying, it matters. The original Neo gave you roughly 18 minutes of airtime. With Neo 2, we could be looking at 20–25 minutes, depending on conditions like wind and flight style. That may not sound huge if you're used to 40-minute drones like the Mini 4 Pro, but in the sub-250 g category, that's impressive. Every extra minute counts. especially if you're chasing golden hour shots or flying in tight windows. For creators, that's one more take before sprinting back to the charger, a difference you'll feel in the field. Smart features and obstacle awareness, one of the strongest rumors around. Neo 2 is that DJI is adding better obstacle awareness. Don't expect full-blown omnidirectional avoidance like the Air 3, but at least forward and downward sensors for safer flights. Combine that with upgraded assistive flight features, and you're looking at a drone that's not only easier to fly, but harder to crash. This is perfect for first-time flyers or creators who want to focus more on composition than stick. Other rumored smart upgrades include improved subject tracking, gesture control refinements, quick automated flight paths for cinematic reveals, tap-to-fly safety nets if DJI delivers. The Neo 2 could redefine what an entry-level drone can do in 2025. DJI Neo 2 transmission and connectivity transmission is a big unknown. The FCC docs didn't explicitly confirm OcuSync 4.0, which powers the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3. Instead, leaks suggest DJI might go with an O4 Lite system or even a strengthened Wi-Fi transmission. Why? To keep costs down. That said, even a Wi-Fi-based upgrade would likely improve stability compared to the original Neo, which sometimes struggled in busy RF environments. Expect smoother live feeds, fewer dropouts, and better range for casual flyers. Creators won't need pro-level 20-kilometer range here. It's more about reliability and confidence when shooting. DJI Neo 2 price and release date. Let's talk money. The original Neo launched at $199 for the base model, with the Fly More combo sitting around $289. That's exactly why it exploded in popularity. Cheap enough for beginners, but good enough for creators. For Neo 2, the consensus among leaks is that we're looking at a $299 to $349 range. Still beginner-friendly, still way cheaper than Pro models, but positioned against other sub-250-gram competitors like the Autel Evo Nano or Hubsan Xeno Mini. As for release timing, the FCC clearance hit in late July 2025, which means DJI could realistically launch it this fall. However, some rumors hedge toward early 2026, depending on supply chain timing. Now, here's the catch. FCC approval doesn't guarantee US availability. Ongoing trade and import restrictions have delayed some DJI models in the past. So while Neo 2 may launch globally, the US release could lag or face limited distribution. That's the big detail many creators aren't talking about yet. Where DJI Neo 2 fits in DJI's lineup is worth stepping back to look at the bigger picture. DJI's current lineup is DJI Mini 4 Pro, flagship sub-250-degree drone with premium features DJI Air 3, mid-tier, great balance of performance and portability DJI Mavic 3 Pro Classic, high-end for professionals DJI Avata 2, FPV for immersive flights DJI Neo, budget-friendly entry-level Neo 2 strengthens that bottom tier, giving DJI a true beginner's option that's cheap, safe, and packed with just enough smart features to keep users hooked. It's the perfect gateway drone before upgrading into the Mini or Air series. Final thoughts. Should you wait for DJI Neo 2? So, is the DJI Neo 2 worth waiting for? If you're a casual flyer or a beginner who wants to start with something affordable, registration-free, and creator-friendly, the answer is almost certainly yes. Between the camera upgrade, the extended battery life, and the smarter flight features, DJI is setting up Neo 2 as the best beginner drone of 2025. If you already own the original Neo, the jump to 4K 60, bigger sensor, and smarter AI features may be worth the upgrade. But if you're a professional creator or someone who needs premium transmission and long flight times, the Mini 4 Pro or Air 3 still make more sense. At the end of the day, the DJI Neo 2 fills a very important gap. It's the fun, safe, sub-250 green drone that doesn't break the bank but still delivers cinematic content.